Welcome to Ontario, where adventure awaits at every turn. From rugged trails to crystal clear waters, this province is a paradise for nature lovers. In this video, we'll take you through the top outdoor adventures that Ontario has to offer. So grab your gear, and let's explore. Let's start with Algonquin Provincial Park. Paddle through tranquil lakes, hike the Centennial Ridges Trail, and spot moose and wolves in their natural habitat. Next, discover the beauty of Peninsula National Park. Explore the stunning grotto, swim in the clear waters of Georgian Bay, and enjoy rock climbing along the Niagara Escarpment. Experience the breathtaking landscapes of Killarney Provincial Park, paddle with views of the La Cloche Mountains, and challenge yourself with a trek on the La Cloche Silhouette Trail. Up next is Tobermory and Fathom 5 National Marine Park. Dive into world-class scuba diving, take a glass-bottom boat tour over shipwrecks, and hike on Flowerpot Island with its unique rock formations. In Lake Superior Provincial Park, hike the coastal trail and paddle on Lake Superior, where you can spot moose and black bears in the quiet wilderness. Explore the rugged shores of Pukaskwa National Park, tackle the coastal trail, enjoy backcountry camping in the boreal forest, and capture stunning sunsets over Lake Superior. Discover the 63 islands of Georgian Bay Islands National Park, hike Beausoleil Island's scenic trails, and enjoy kayaking and swimming in crystal clear waters. Hike the Giant Trail at Sleeping Giant Provincial Park for panoramic views over Lake Superior, and experience remote camping in the park's wilderness. Visit Point Pelee National Park for incredible birdwatching during migration, explore diverse hiking trails, and relax on the sandy beaches of Lake Erie. Adventure in the Algoma Highlands with rugged hiking trails, mountain biking, and stunning fall colors, a top spot for outdoor exploration. Experience the iconic Bon Echo Provincial Park. Scale Mazenal Rock, paddle past ancient pictographs, and hike trails with panoramic views. At Elora Gorge Conservation Area, float down the Grand River, hike scenic trails, and enjoy fishing in this picturesque setting. Enjoy the vast wilderness of Kawartha Highlands Provincial Park. Canoe through its numerous lakes, experience backcountry camping, and fish in tranquil waters. Journey into the remote beauty of Quetico Provincial Park. Paddle through pristine waters, set up camp in solitude, and spot wildlife like moose and bears. Discover the charm of Thousand Islands National Park. Kayak through its scenic islands, hike trails offering panoramic views, and enjoy peaceful boating adventures. Explore Arrowhead Provincial Park, where you can hike to Stubbs Falls, canoe on serene lakes, and enjoy winter fun with cross-country skiing and ice skating. Ontario's outdoor adventures offers something for every adventurer, from tranquil paddles to thrilling hikes. Hit that like button, share, and subscribe for more nature inspiration.